Important news for devotees of the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. Vaikunta Ekadasi is coming up on the 30th of December, and this is that time of the year when Vaikunta Dwara Darshanam happens of Lord Venkateshwara. The TTD has made special arrangements so that special privileges are done away with. They are not going to allow any special privileges at all, and it will only be the Sarva Darshanams that will be possible. Actually, what's going to happen is that the darshan tokens are going to be given by an electronic dip system from the 27th of November at 10 a.m. till the 5 p.m. on the 1st of December is when through the TTD website, through the TTD mobile app, or through the AP government WhatsApp, which is 95523 00009. On these, you can record and register for getting a darshan token itself. What I must point out is that the results will be announced on the 2nd of December at 2 p.m. and scheduled for the darshan and ticket sales for the remaining days, which is after the first 3 days, the rest of the days has also been announced. From January 2 to January 8, common devotees can avail of Sarva Darshanam directly without tokens through the Vaikuntham complex number 2, Vaikuntham Q complex 2. For SCD and Srivani Darshans from January 2 to January 8, 1000 tickets per day will be released between December 5 on at 10 a.m. It will be released online. And for SCD, the 300 rupees tickets that we are talking about, 15,000 tickets per day will be released online on December 5 at 3 p.m. To ensure maximum access for the general pilgrims, TTD has actually implemented several measures. They have cancelled several of those privileges and have said that they will be suspending many of the special darshans that happen. What is happening is that cancellation of all special darshan, like I mentioned, between December 30 and January 1. Then you have suspension of on offline tokens, issue of SSD tokens at Tirupati suspended for the entire 10-day period. Offline Srivani tickets at airports are also cancelled, and the privilege darshan is cancelled for whether it is senior citizens, differently abled people, parents with infants, or defense personnel, NRIs. For all of them, those special privileges are cancelled between December 30 and January 8 when we are talking about the Vaikunta Dwara Darshan that happens. And the VIP darshan also, only the self-proclaimed dignitaries will be provided with what is called the VIP break darshan, and all recommendation letters for the VIP darshan are cancelled, and all Arjita Sevas are cancelled as well. And local quota darshan, something that the present TTD chairperson has been talking about, whether it is for Tirupati, Chandragiri, or Renigunta, about 4,500 tokens every day, and Tirumala, about 500 tokens every day, will be released on the 10th of December. These are the local quota tickets that we are talking about, which will be released online. Donors quota, those contributing 1 lakh rupees and above, they must book their darshan online through the donor application when tickets are released on the 5th of December at 10 a.m. So the TTD has asked all devotees to cooperate with these arrangements so that there can be a smooth, safe, as well as a comfortable darshan for all the devotees. So book for your Vaikunta Dwara Darshanam and avail of the facilities that the TTD has put forth in order to benefit the most common of people and not those with the VIP privileges. Thank you so much for watching.